Hey, what's going on? Keith Carpenter back here with PromptROI. Right now, I want to show you the latest addition to the PromptROI ecosystem, and that is vision. That's right, our baby can see. So how does it work? Simple. Go over here on the left-hand side, click AI chat. Go ahead and click new chat. Then in the upper right-hand corner, you're gonna click here with the drop-down for the models. Click on GPT Vision. Next, you're gonna come down here in the bottom right corner, click on this little image icon, and then you're gonna click to upload your own image into PromptROI. Now, over here on the left, I'm gonna go to downloads. I have this image that I took this morning from my back porch. I'm gonna go ahead and double click, pull it in, and when it loads, you'll see the thumbnail here in the bottom right corner. Next, I'm gonna say, please describe this image for me in detail. Hit the go button or hit enter, either one, and boom. This image features a serene early morning or late evening lakeside scene. The sky is displaying a beautiful, softly blended palette of colors ranging from deep blue at the top to warm hues of pink and orange closer to the horizon, suggesting the presence of a sunrise or sunset. Anyway, it goes on, but here's the cool part. Let's take this. We can either copy it this way or just click this little double document thing over here and you'll see it says copied at the top. Then we're just gonna click here and change the model to DALL-E 3, which is our image generation tool. And we're going to say, please create a photorealistic, that's the word you wanna use, image using the following description. Then what we're gonna do is we're going to paste the description in and we're gonna go ahead and click and we're gonna run it. And what do we have but a beautiful, serene image? I mean, that's unbelievable. That's all I can say. I hope you enjoyed this. Go inside PromptROI, use the AI chat with the vision. PromptROI now can see, it can talk, and it can hear. Let's go.